I'm gonna start off by shopping for Erin.
Oh, wait a second, no.
This is such a random thing to be shopping for.
PJs, who would buy me PJs? Ah, this is tough.
She's sneaky because I automatically ruled her out.
You guys, come on, come on.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Clevver Style. That was like a muted scream, but it was still a scream. I'm so excited because we are filming a part 2 right now for the Who Bought Me This challenge. My energy was literally too much for Linus. He just ran under the bed.
But we will be shopping online and then of course guessing who bought that.
Now this is the thing. We could be tricky, we could be sneaky, or we could be obvious. I want to get the things that they want.
Let's get started. Let's go shopping. This is the best day ever.
All right, so I have enlisted the help of the boy. He is here because he is extremely creative and I am not.
Kind of want to start with Drew just because I feel like I could find something really good for her at Sephora.
So I guess like for Drew, kind of want to make her laugh and I kind of want to go for stuff that I know she's super into, you know?
I don't know what Drew likes outside of like having a laugh and like shiny things.
Oh my God, you actually know her very well.
Fenty Beauty has a lot of things. So there's like match sticks, glow, skin stick. I don't know what the frick that means, but that sounds hot.
I know she loves Cards Against Humanity. I was thinking something along those lines. Like she's like really super into like games like that, like especially group games that everybody can laugh at. So let's start there and see what comes up.
Mini lip gloss and highlighter set. Ooh, I mean, who doesn't love a mini? Oh wow, this is only $12.50. Are things 50% off at Sephora right now? I might be on here a little longer than I meant to.
Okay, so Mad Libs After Dark, I love this. So there's the having a laugh part of it. And then let's do like pens, shiny pens. Ooh, these are cool. She's gonna love this.
Wow.
I genuinely like don't know what to get Sinead, honestly. Like, let's look at Sinead's Instagram. I have to look at everyone's Instagram to remind myself who everyone is because it's been so long since I've seen the Clevver girls.
It's been 84 years.
Sinead likes a lot of different things. Sinead likes hot Cheetos. Sinead likes her kid. She loves her kid. Sinead likes Star Wars. Sinead loves Star Wars. Ooh, everything's expensive. She would like this mirror, this nail kit. Oh my God, an LED toilet nightlight. Oh, shut up. They have a Baby Yoda pop socket. Are you kidding me? I need to get this. Ooh, would she like one of these? I might get her this. This like Adidas circle shoulder bag. I feel like she would low-key be into this.
All right, so Madeleine loves retro things. She loves like the 90s, you know how she always like shops at like vintage stores, things like that.
I know that Madeleine loves a throwback to the early 2000s, like Britney, Mary-Kate and Ashley. So I'm gonna try to do a throwback situation. I'm gonna go to Amazon to see what I can stir up.
Dude, look at this. This is amazing.
What is happening?
So this is a Friends chocolate set. Each of these chocolates are individually wrapped with like pictures of different scenes. And they have trivia.
They have facts, Friends facts.
Oh my God, you guys, they have a, for kid favorites, Mary-Kate and Ashley Travel the World DVD pack with 4 Mary-Kate and Ashley DVDs.
Yesterday.
4 kid favorites. Mary-Kate and Ashley Travel the World. This is so cute.
She's gonna love this.
So obviously, what do we know about Jackie, babe?
She likes food
Yes.
and funny stuff.
Food and funny stuff, that's right.
Okay, now Jackie, like I said, is a foodie, and I feel like there's really cute, you know who has cute kitchenware is Urban Outfitters. I know for a fact, and this is technically not cheating, it's just me knowing my friend. I know that she likes Viva La Juicy perfume, and I know that she's been wanting to get it back, and she won't even see it coming because we have not talked about this perfume and her wanting it for a very long time, but I remember.
All right, this infuse and pour alcohol kit, I think this is fun because I feel like they're getting all their Postmates delivered, all like the most amazing restaurants that Jackie and Nick like know of. This is like a homemade alcohol kit that they can have their own drinks.
What am I gonna get Lauren? Oh my God, so many things.
For Lauren, like me, loves her alcohol.
Where would I buy like a drinking, like a punny drinking tea? Lauren loves eyeshadow. Lauren loves pastels, or at least I tell her that she loves pastels. When I think of pastels, I think of Lauren.
So for Lauren, I'm just gonna type in wine because she loves wine.
Okay.
And her husband, Sean, I know that they like to dress kind of alike. So I feel like I wish I could get the matching ones.
I would go for the Shape Tape, but I don't know her specific color and the concealer, and that'd be so annoying to get you one of your favorite things, but it's not even your right shade. So I'm gonna get her something else that Tarte has. Let me go on Ulta again.
Look at this wine gummies trio. This is cute. Their packaging's so adorable.
Alright, so what is
Chardonnay, Merlot, and Rosé. Ooh, I think this is perfect.
Wait, why is rosé orange?
I don't know. It's a good question though.
Let's look at Erin's Instagram. Erin has red hair. She has a husband. She has a dog. Here comes my Doge. Hi, boo-boos.
I know Erin loves bell-bottom jeans. Oh my God. So she's a redhead. I could do like a if you have like red hair, like a shampoo that helps the dye, because like we're all struggling with our hair in these times, and like she probably needs something.
I found an adult coloring book. I came across it the other day, and there was like one that was specifically for...
Is it like nudies?
No, but it was like for married people.
I could get her like some fun games to like keep her occupied, although she's always like editing and doing branded stuff. So what do people like that need?
Married Life, the snarky adult coloring book. How cute is this?
What do we got here?
I mean, their jokes are... Oh, it's not touchscreen.
I feel good about this. Now I want to see if they can accurately guess that I picked these things for them. I think that's gonna be the hardest part, because I'm not gonna know who picked what for me, you know? Just gonna know if I like it or not, and then hopefully I don't hurt anybody's feelings if I don't like it.
4 to 6 days later.
Dun, dun, dun. The stuff is here. Look how cute this is. It's like a little monogram bag, has a D on it.
I feel like one of those like moms that go to the beach with snacks with this.
I'm so excited to open these. I honestly feel like I'm gonna be really bad at guessing. If this were a competition, I feel like right off the bat I could tell you I lost.
This looks expensive, whatever it is. Spa Sciences, Advanced Skincare Infusion System. Somebody's trying to preserve this face. That's very nice. Or are you saying I look old? I can't figure it out.
Okay. I'm not surprised at all that there's something Friends themed. Okay, wait, let's look at this. Oh, it's a game. I literally will win this. Hands down.
So first up we have, this is so cute, a little googly eye planter. And look at this little plant mister. Oh my God, it's so vintagey looking.
I don't know who got this for me. This is gonna be hard to try to guess, because like, who's concerned about my visible lines being reduced?
I mean, this could have been from anyone. Part of me feels like it's Drew, because if my memory serves me, Drew's been the one that's like also a champion of Friends. Although I have a really bad memory, so now I can't remember if Drew's the one that has never watched Friends.
I haven't seen Friends, I'm sorry.
You guys, this is like the hardest thing in the entire world. Anybody could have gotten me this. This is gonna be so hard for me.
I think Erin got me this. I think she just is into skincare, and she knew she doesn't want Grabby to get to me, you know? So I think she got me this.
I'm gonna say Drew or Lauren, because I want to see what the other stuff is, and I'm gonna be like, oh, that's like so me. I don't know. Drew, if you're the one that doesn't watch Friends, I'm sorry. It's not you, it's me. I have an awful memory.
I think I'd have to go with Madeleine for this one. Something about it I feel like she would have this in her place.
It's Fenty lip gloss. It's a duo pack. Yep. This person cares. This person loves me.
All right, up next we have a denim bucket hat. Actually, this is so comical to me because this looks like one of the Mary-Kate and Ashley like bucket hat moments. Who would buy me this though?
Next up, we have Stop. This is a Baby Yoda pop socket. I am obsessed. Obsessed. This is going on my phone today.
Wow, who did this? This could be anybody, because I think everybody knows that I love Fenty. Who are you from? God, I don't know. Oh, this is hard.
I don't feel like this is Sinead, because I feel like Sinead would be like, I'm not putting you in a bucket hat. This is like harder than I thought. I keep wanting to like give people 2 options. I kind of like it with my outfit. This is so 90s. And then if you flip it up, you're like 10.
Baby Yoda, that makes me feel like maybe Erin would have gotten me this just because she kind of shares like a love of Star Wars with me. How am I ever gonna guess this? I'm never gonna be able to guess this.
Can I save my guesses? I'm gonna save my guesses, because guess what? There's nobody here to tell me that I can't. I don't know who got me that, but we gonna find out.
The person I think that bought me this is Lauren. I'll guess Drew on the Friends game, Lauren on the denim hat.
I feel like Erin would be a good choice for this pop socket just because I think she understands like my love of Star Wars, but then again, like everybody at Clevver understands my love of Star Wars, like a lot. Oh my God, this is so hard. I don't think that's right. I'm gonna stick with Erin for this one.
What is this? Mad Libs After Dark. And I got, look at, they're like little diamond pins. Wait, that's super cute because everybody knows I like sparkles and shiny stuff. Look how cute those are.
Okay. Hold on, because then I have this. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's chocolate. It's called Da Chocolate. Hashtag Da Chocolate and a magnet. A chocolate and magnet. I mean, what more do you need?
Okay, next up we have this Adidas shoulder bag. This is freaking cute. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm so happy. It feels like my birthday.
It's like a good like little time passer, and it can get like nasty, you know, which I like. It's like when you play Cards Against Humanity. This is cute. This is like a little Secret Santa situation.
It's got a 6-pack of Friends chocolate. That's so clever. Oh my gosh, and on the back, it has little like Friends tidbits of information. Interesting.
Honestly, like, how are you guys this good at this? Nothing has been even remotely less than perfect so far. I love this so much.
I feel like Madeleine is so like adorable when it comes to nostalgia, and I feel like this was like a thing that we did like at sleepovers growing up, you know?
Okay, who bought me this? I'm gonna say Jackie, because Jackie's the foodie and it's like food related, and she probably knows that I love Friends, so we're gonna guess that. Truly could be anyone.
Okay, so I feel like I'm gonna go with Jackie. I don't feel like that's right either. I don't feel like any of this is right, to be honest.
These are Pat McGrath lip glosses. Wow, wow, wow.
Oh my God. I'm like speechless right now. I'm so excited.
You guys, I feel so spoiled right now. I feel like I'm gonna cry. This is freaking perfect. Like, absolutely perfect. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Leggings and this crop top.
Oh my God, these are so pretty. Oh my God, I am dying. These are so pretty. Which one should I put on? Pat McGrath stuff is just so nice. It's so nice. The quality is so great.
If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with Mary-Kate and Ashley. Like, I just find it so nostalgic, so early 2000s, like everything I stand for.
So I feel like I would say that Drew got me this set, even though like really these two things are interchangeable. They're so like similar in style. They're both dope.
I think Lauren got me the Pat McGrath lip glosses. I'll tell you why. Because when we did the IG ads, I remember I was so excited when I knew that I could get that Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette, and Lauren was right there and she heard me talk about Pat McGrath, so I feel like Lauren would know I love Pat McGrath.
I almost feel like Erin got me this because I think I've like really shared with Erin how obsessed I am with Mary-Kate and Ashley. We're just gonna guess Erin. It could really be any of the girls because I do feel like I've told all the girls my obsession.
No way, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way. I have secretly been wanting this candle for like 2 months, but it's strawberry pound cake scented.
Okay, so this is a Friends tee. So, I mean, can you guys tell that people at Clevver know I like Friends? Also, I like it because it's like a kind of a crop top.
All right, I saved the biggest one for last. So this, oh my God, I'm gonna love this already. I know that. Oh my God, it's heavy. Look at this planter. This is perfect.
This is weird. Who would have known that I wanted this exact flavor? This is weird. No, I like didn't tell anybody about this.
I don't think this was from Sinead because Sinead was with me the day I bought all those Friends tees. Wait, but I feel like I used everybody else. Oh my gosh, this is so hard.
This is legitimately perfect. I love the colors so much. My backyard is super colorful, so this is perfect. This is the best day ever. I am so happy.
Jackie, dead giveaway. Wow, you are attentive. I think I mentioned this in passing maybe like 2 months ago. Dude, best friendship.
One step tie-dye kit. Okay, wait, that makes me feel like this is Erin because Erin and I had messaged about tie-dye and she was like doing tie-dye at home. And so I feel like actually this is from Erin.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stick with the only person I have left because I can't change my mind now. So I'm gonna say Lauren got me this, even though I feel like this is all wrong.
All right, guys, I'm sitting here in all my fresh new fits. Just received the results for my Who Got Me This, and we're gonna look at them together on camera to see if I was right about any.
Let's start with the Mister and the googly planter. I said Madeleine. Erin got me this. Oh, see, you guys, I'm already off to the worst start ever. This is not good. Thank you, Erin. Honestly, thank you. I love it so much.
Skincare delivery system, Erin. Oh, Erin, I was right. I knew it. I don't know how I knew it, but I knew she got me that. I got one down. I got one right.
The party game I originally thought was Drew's, and it turns out it's Lauren. You guys.
The Baby Yoda pop socket. It was Drew. Oh my gosh. See, that makes me so emotional. I miss you so much.
Okay, the Mad Libs and pens. Here we go. Madeleine, please be Madeleine. Sinead? That's surprising. I don't know. I wouldn't, but no, but Sinead is like very into like DIY, like moms, you know, moms like are into busy work.
So the bucket hat, which I thought was from Lauren. It's from Jackie. I did guess that at one point, but then I think I thought Lauren because like quirky vibes. I don't know.
Okay, the Adidas shoulder bag. So now that I've gotten everything wrong so far, I said Jackie got this, right? It was Madeleine. You guys, I told you I wasn't gonna get any of these right.
Okay, Pat McGrath. Pat McGrath. It has to be Lauren. Okay, so then the Pat McGrath was Lauren.
The Friends chocolates, that's what I originally thought was Jackie because like foodie. It was from Sinead. Oh, Sinead, that's pretty funny. Okay, I do like the chocolates. Very fun, very creative.
Fenty lip gloss, I thought it was Sinead, but it's not. Madeleine got me the Fenty lip gloss.
All right, the leggings and the crop top. Here we go. This was Lauren. See, this is what I'm saying. The girl, she finally listened to me. Lauren, you crushed it. Absolutely crushed it.
Okay, the Mary-Kate and Ashley DVD I think I said was Sinead. Drew, that's actually funny then. So maybe Drew didn't like Friends. I can't keep up with myself.
The pound cake candle. Jackie. I knew it. I knew it.
And that means that Jackie got me this planter. You guys, literally not a single guess was right. I knew I was gonna be all wrong.
Friends tie-dye kit I thought was Erin, and it is Erin. I got one right. Because me and Erin have like discussed our love for tie-dye on the low.
So I got Sinead and Madeleine mixed up. You guys, I think I did pretty well other than that.
Guys, that was so cool. I'm so proud to be the resident Friends girl and Mary-Kate and Ashley girl. Anyway, you guys, stay tuned. We have much more clever stuff coming your way, so just click around. There's a ton of stuff. We love it. We love it, and we love you, and we love creating for you.